we are going to learn about that how to copy the workbook to different location into the active sheet. So it's a very easy method. I have one workbook to here, and this is a time workbook, and I want this workbook to active sheet. So how will I do this? Okay, so first of all, you create you open the one sheet or workbook and go to developer tab and visible basic here, and insert the one module here, and write one module here first. Okay, so and give the variables first. So dim as a workbook, as workbook sorry as a workbook, and dim master as the workbook. Okay, so there is a two workbook here, and we want to copy and paste the content into the active workbook. So first of all, we set the workbook master, which is the this workbook, this active workbook, this workbook. Okay, and then set w wbhk is equal to workbooks dot open, workbooks dot open, then give the path of workbook. Here is a syntax which is the telling about that file name string. So file name path, which is the located in the desktop here, and that part we can take here first. Here is a path, just copy it and paste on here, then slash, then time, because we given the time workbook name, and then dot xls s x, and then bracket complete. Okay, so we can check here the workbook is open or not here. Oh, that's fine, the workbook has been opened here, look at that. Okay, so our code is working fine now. Then next we can take here with whk workbook to different workbook, which is the time. Then we can say here sheets, sheet 1, sheet 1, or we can say here also, we can say here 1 dot sales dot copy. Okay, and then we can paste these cells master book means active sheet, master sheets, master sheets sheet 1 dot sales in, we can say here 1 means row indexed and column indexed 1 1, and then enough. Okay, and then we can save the workbook here. So workbook dot save, then workbook dot close. So automatic the workbook will be saved, and automatically workbook will be closed. And then application, sorry, then end with, so we can give the end with here. I'm sorry, that is a typo mistake. End whk, end with, sorry. Okay, and then we can copy paste mode, miscut copy paste mode, which is the false, because sometime what happened that the copy mode has been, copy and cut mode has been not clear on a workbook. So we can give the command here application dot cut copy, cut and copy, which is the fail statement. Okay, and then we can you know we can go to our active workbook here and give the shape here firstly, shapes, and give the name is the copy or data, and right click on the shape and assign the micro which is we are created. Okay, so we can uh, click on data, then this data will be copied and paste on here. Okay, so that data which we will get here. So again we can try here. First of all, we clear the cells here, cells dot clear contents, and now we can start here. Okay, then workbook is open, time XLS, and then workbook will be saved and close here. So that is for my side, guys. If you have any questions, please comment me and like this video and share the more person, which is very helpful to daily basis. Thank you and very much. Hope enjoy your day. Thank you very much.